Discover the perfect solution to all your hot water needs with the Bella Cordless Electric Kettle. With its impressive 1.7-liter capacity and lightning-fast 15-watt heating system, this kettle will have you enjoying your favorite hot beverage in just minutes. Experience boiling hot speed like never before. Say goodbye to sluggish mornings and elevate your hot beverage game with the Bella Cordless Electric Kettle. So what are you waiting for? Don't settle for a boring cup of tea. Upgrade to our glass tea kettle and take your hot beverage game to the next level. Here are the key features of Bella Electric Kettle and Water Boiler. Efficiency and ease of use. Make your morning routine a breeze with Bella's Electric Kettle. From coffee and tea to oatmeal and soups, it can quickly heat water for all your needs. The 1.7-liter capacity and 1500W fast heating system ensure that breakfast is ready in a jiffy, saving you precious time and energy. Embrace efficiency and start your day off right with the Bella Cordless Electric Kettle. A clutter-free kitchen. Maintain a clutter-free and organized kitchen with the Bella Cordless Electric Kettle. The 360-degree power base and cord storage feature keep your countertops neat and tidy, eliminating the hassle of tangled cords. Additionally, the LED light on the kettle changes color as the temperature rises, providing a visual cue to let you know when your water is heated to perfection. Enjoy a streamlined kitchen space and effortless brewing experience with this sleek and functional appliance. Safety and convenience. Enjoy safe and hassle-free cordless serving with the Bella Cordless Electric Kettle. The kettle handle remains cool to the touch even after heating, ensuring you avoid accidental burns while pouring your drink. The built-in auto shut-off and boil-dry protection add an extra layer of safety for you and your family, providing peace of mind as you go about your daily routine. Sip your hot beverage with confidence, knowing that your Bella kettle is designed with your safety in mind. Easy cleaning and maintenance. Cleaning up after brewing is a breeze with the Bella Cordless Electric Kettle. The removable scale filter keeps your liquids clean and free from impurities, ensuring a pure and refreshing taste every time. No more struggling to clean hard-to-reach places. The larger opening allows for effortless cleaning, making maintenance a simple and hassle-free process. Embrace convenience and enjoy a consistently clean and hygienic kettle with Bella. The perfect gift. Looking for a great gift idea? Look no further. The Bella Cordless Electric Kettle is the perfect gift for any occasion. Whether it's a wedding, housewarming, or birthday, this elegant glass carafe and stylish white finish make it a modern and sophisticated addition to any kitchen. Treat your loved ones to the joy of effortless hot beverage preparation and elevate their kitchen decor with this sleek and functional gift. Conclusion. Upgrade your hot beverage experience with the Bella Cordless Electric Kettle. Experience the convenience of rapid heating, clutter-free countertops, and safe cordless serving. The removable scale filter ensures clean and pure liquids, while the sleek design adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Gift yourself or your loved ones with the ultimate hot water solution and take your hot beverage game to the next level with the Bella Cordless Electric Kettle.